Hello there. What's up? Hi, welcome to manjaritrader.com. I am Ed Ruff. In today's video, we will discuss about how to use MQL5.com to monitor your trading profit. Okay, so in today's video, we will take a look at MQL5.com and then why use mql5.com, and then some how to make money with mql5.com. Okay, please also just subscribe. I just misspelled subscribe here. Okay, so let's take a look at mql5.com. Okay, so we can head over to mql5.com. So we have here is the main page of the front page of MQL5. There are a whole lot of information here. Uh, if you don't, normally I don't go through all this. I just want to see who is behind MQL5. Okay, it's a community, basically developed by, let me see here, it's by MQL5 Limited. I believe they are the from the company MetaQuotes, who developed the MetaTrader platform. So if you can read here over this company before you should see advice. I can read all this, but anyway, once you've registered an account here, you will have a back end inside here. So this is my account. So in the section in Signal, you have the My Signal over here. So you can see that I have a lot of signal. Basically, the signal is it depends. So like for now, my signal is just for myself. But if you want to make money, you need to create a signal over here. But before that, I need to show you the MetaTrader. To where is it, my MetaTrader? So this is my MetaTrader. Okay, so I'm using currently using a Super Forex platform. It's basically they only have MT MetaTrader 4. So normally in your MT4, you want to look at the trading performance. You will save as detailed report. So once you have done that, it will show you a page like this. But on top of the page, you have all the trading history. So, and then at the down below, you can see there is a graph here. So it's going up. This is one of my account that has been blown up. But normally you don't see any. You can't really see how the performance works over time, which is why I use MQL5 to see the growth here. So I have one over here. This is one of this is my PAM account last time. Okay, so this was my performance from 2014 up until 2016. So this started off with 25,000 USD and a profit of 19,000 USD, a growth of 78% over the course of 3 years. So you can look and see here the profits made from month by month, accumulated into year to date, and the overall performance here. So you can see the balance up and down, something like this. The equity. So if normally the equity, there's a, we call it floating. It's a huge floating. Then it will show in the. You can see the floating here. Okay, so before that, we need to see the maximum drawdown. So if the less drawdown we have, then it should be better. So that's how I read the chart in this MQL5. Right, so how to make money with MQL5? You can go to here. Maybe you can just look at some of the example. So like this here, so it's copy for $25. So besides here, you can also go to your MetaTrader and then go into this signal tab. So hold on for a moment. So you can see here there is a signal from MetaTrader from MT5. So there is the price for the signal in here. So this is how you make money. But normally the MT5 charges, there's a charge for the inside here. I'll make a special video for that. Anyway, I think that's about it for this video. So subscribe to my channel if you find that my video is informative enough. You can leave comments on my YouTube video. So we will see each other again in the next video with a different topic. Alright, thank you for watching.